We need the cheapest power drill. What happened? We just drilled into a gas tank. It just doesn't want to work. I got kicked out. We're negative today. We just got hit.
Time to wake up and do vlog number 2. We are leaving today. The car is ready. If you haven't seen yesterday's episode, guys, go back and check it out. Here's a link to it up here somewhere. Episode number 1 is very important. Let's get ready to go to Alaska. Alright, my stuff is ready.
Some computers, some electronics, and this is the only suitcase I have with the tiny bit of clothes. Same shirt. I don't have another shirt, so this is really humbling. Going from multi-millions and $3,000 a night villas, crazy lifestyle. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see my crazy lifestyle. I'm going down to having a few thousand in my pocket, staying in cheap hotels, eating very simple food, to show you guys that it's possible to make it in trading. And certainly to raise awareness for Bitcoin, because bull market is around the corner within the next 12 months, and most of you probably will miss out. Again, I need to do a quick workout somewhere, somehow, because I don't want to get fat. Okay, here's the baby, guys. Believe it, $1,400. Now, oops. It just doesn't open.
Don't destroy the public property. The trunk is pretty spacious, huh?
Let's go eat. You gotta tell us, what do you feel right now?
Very excited, but I want to get out from New York as soon as possible. This traffic just drives me crazy.
Yeah, that's true. I cannot wait to start trading. And then finally decide as to which is our first point of destination, because it's gonna be absolutely random. We prepared a bit, but not that much really. How does it work? It's been a while since oh, there you go. That's easy. Ticket! Well, life on a budget. Actually, I take my words back. It's not bad. Ilya has already made money. He found somebody's wallet on the floor. Let's be good citizens. Go bring it to the cashier. Time for the Starlink. Help me. Get it. Ta-da! Wow. Elon Musk, what the hell? This is gonna be enough for us to trade in Alaska, where there is no reception, no internet. Put it up like this. Nobody has ever attempted this before. And we wanted to use, some stickers, to put some stickers on the car. If you have some ideas, let us know in the comments. Now we have Starlink. I've already fucked it up. Ta-da! The first one is here. Kitty kitties. Let's fix this situation here with this. Actually, no, I don't want to fix it. It's the character of the car. Jesus Christ! Oh my God!
I mean, what's wrong with you?
Just about everything, man.
Excellent, brand new.
There it is. We're gonna start trading right now. We gotta glue it to the roof, or there are actually, look, there are actually holes right here. We can put some screws in. It's gonna be leaking a bit, but who cares? Do you like my setup idea? I think that this is beautiful. Absolutely love the instruction. Can you figure it out? Step 1, step 2, step 3. That's it. Done. We just calibrated the Starlink. Let's do the speed test on it. And 15 megabytes a second, that's not very good.
But it says it will stabilize.
Yeah, it says that it's gonna stabilize in about 15 minutes. So we'll see, and hopefully it's gonna work when it's inside and while it's moving, because we have the travel package on Starlink. I don't know. Even 15 megabytes, it's okay-ish, but for like streaming and all the video uploads for you guys and stuff, it's not good. How many megabytes a second should it be?
Well, it says up to 1,000.
Up to 1 gigabyte a second. So, well, I think it should improve. So we have an issue with Starlink. it just doesn't want to work. It just somehow connects, but as soon as we put it inside, it stops working. I don't know, maybe it's not even meant to be on the move. If that's gonna be the case, then that's gonna be a problem, because I want to be trading as we go. I don't want to be stopping anywhere for 12 hours a day to trade. Let's hope that this guy can figure this shit out. Ilya always figures shit out. We have small success, and I downloaded some upgrade, whatever. Let's do the speed test again. Okay, all right. This is already much better. We have about 100 so far. It's not ideal, but it's fine. So let's hope it just works as we go, because right now it's on the roof. We're still trying to figure this shit out. It's been an hour. So it's been another 1 hour. When it's inside, there is no connection between the stupid box and this thing itself. We're trying to figure it out. For myself, I'm connecting some really cool software. I just wanted to find some shade right here. And remember that we're gonna be trading over on Bybit. And if you want to be trading over on Bybit as well, in my opinion, it's one of the best exchanges out there. It's big, it's reliable, doesn't have any stupid FUD about it like Binance. Exclusively for Prolo Crypto Expedition. There is a link down in the description of this video as well as in the pinned comment. You can claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses, and also you'll gain access for lifetime for free to my crypto community. Also link down in the description of this video. This is where I post all of my trades and the trades of my team, etc. So a really cool place to be. They are doing the biggest bonus ever, but they are big and they require KYC. So if you cannot do KYC for whatever reason, or you don't want to do it, then there is a link to BitGet as well. And BitGet gives only up to $8,000 in initial deposit bonuses, which is still nice. Claimable in both places in the reward centers, but they don't require KYC. Well, another option is to use internet from our phones. You want to see the speed? This is the speed, ladies and gentlemen. There is no speed. Like, what the hell? What's going on? Oh, there it is. There it is. I mean, you know, it's bad when it takes forever to even measure the fucking thing. Very bad news. We've been here another hour on a truck stop next to the trucks, watching the pump in Bitcoin. We're supposed to be trading. But no, we're trying to set up this bloody thing. Hello, Elon Musk. It's not working. Maybe we're just dumb and we were using it wrong, but we Googled it. People were saying that they were putting them inside their RVs and driving, and the internet was fine. So as soon as we put it outside, it works fine. But inside, it just loses connection. And that's it. Maybe because the roof of the S-Class Mercedes is strong. I have no idea. So what we have to do now, we're going to Home Depot or whatever. We're gonna buy a drill, and we're gonna use big nails, and we're just gonna screw it to the trunk. If the wind is gonna be too strong and the metal is gonna be too weak to hold it because it's quite heavy, and if it's gonna break off, so be it. For now, we're using the regular internet. I'm trying to set up order book and checking my old trade, the swing trade that I had for quite some time, this big trade that I believe in. All right, so we're getting there slowly. Oh, let's not crash, please. And the order book is here. I'm gonna try to use a bit of heat map, but first we need to solve the problem with the internet. And we are still in New Jersey, so we are very far away from our first destination. What is your idea?
Let's buy a barbecue.
And attach it to the roof, huh?
Yeah, we will tow it behind the reef.
A vehicle. I like it. So that's a good idea. You know, if we're gonna have a Starlink attached to our trunk, I still have no idea how that's gonna work, because we have stuff in the trunk. Is it gonna leak? If there's gonna be a hole?
If we will fail trading.
Yeah, if we fail, they're hiring. It says power tools. Unlike you, I actually know how to read. We need a cheap power tool because we're running out of money, and we need to still calculate how much we spent. So the rest is actually through an OTC is going into the Bybit account. We need the cheapest power drill to make holes in the trunk. This is it. Another $100. So the idea is, we got some of these bolts with washers and stuff. So we are going to take off this cover right here, and using the drill right here, we can actually drill holes for the Starlink, and we're gonna put it, and then the wire is gonna go inside, and in this way, Starlink is actually gonna be outside, but it's not a guarantee it's gonna work. And there's also, it might actually fall because it's quite heavy. Let's experiment. I mean, who has done this before? Guys, we have a very serious problem. We made a hole that I just showed you, and it started to smell like gasoline. He's Googling now. It's a gas tank? Yeah. Behind the rear passenger seat there is a gas tank, which is drilled into a gas tank, attempting to put Starlink on the trunk of a $1,400 car while on the way to Alaska trading Bitcoin. You gotta be shitting me, man. Now I need to find another way for the wire. I don't know, it's the whole thing seems like a terrible idea, but we have no way out, man. What happened? Did you just break the drill, man?
Yep.
We ain't got no money, man. Ilya is a barbarian. This is not very a great design feature, but let's see if it actually fits. Look at it. It's sturdy as hell. I mean, it's not gonna go absolutely anywhere. And I don't think
the trunk itself is moving. Look at that.
Like the trunk is moving, yeah. So it's only going out with a trunk. All right, let's put a Starlink on. There it is. It's super sturdy.
We can connect another car.
We can connect a bus to it. And Ilya is adding some silicone.
I think it will be enough.
So that our stuff is not gonna get wet. But the internet, look, demonic number anyway. But at least it works. Oh, okay, it's better. It's nice. This is the internet I can trade with. So this got 120 megabytes a second. That's good. I don't know what's the ping, like how jumpy it is, because that's also very important for trading. And now the big question is it gonna remain the same as we drive? Picasso!
I just don't want for silicone to drip on our things.
It's all right, you know what you're doing. Oh wow, this is a fucking masterpiece, man. You should have been an artist. It's deep down somewhere inside of you. And the moment of truth, we are connected to Starlink on the trunk. Look at it, and it works. See, there's the order book. Yes, satellite internet, Elon Musk. Yeah. You know, it's funny that we're just laughing that we actually drilled through the gas tank, but he used the same silicone to actually close it off. So,
well, there is a tiny hole, but I mean,
who cares? We can't even smell it. But success is success. But we lost the whole day. We were supposed to be in Washington by now, and there is a car show.
Yeah, cars and coffee local.
Cars and coffee, so we can actually come and say we're the most advanced fucking car in the whole. What else car has satellite internet? You know, not too many. I just gave out the next step and the next destination, which is Washington D.C. Let's go to see the White House and maybe talk to the President of the United States. At first, we need to eat something. I'm starving. I want everything. All right, we have finally installed everything, and we've missed a trade already, and it is already getting dark. Where are we? We are actually
120 miles
from Washington.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm tired too. And I just did the calculation of how much money we've spent today, because we started officially from today, so I started counting food and hotels and everything from today. We've spent $1,400 on the car, $65 on the gas, $250 on the belt and oil, wet wipes, tools, breakfast, Home Depot, lunch. We didn't have dinner yet. In total, from $5,000 we spent $1,970, and this should be enough for us to just get us going. We have about $3,030 left, which means we're gonna keep $530 in the pocket for tonight's hotel and some food and some gas and coffee, whatever, and then precisely $2,500 has gone into Bybit. I've been actually calculating crazy risk to reward ratio, some crazy type of risk management, but well, what you can do about it. So it's something that kids don't do this at home. So you need to be professionals. You need to know how to trade to be able to do this. So in derivatives, this is what we're going to be using to actually trade, and we are actually paying for
$10.
$10.
And I see another $10 for the toll road.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good night. So $2,500. This is all we have to trade with. I mean, if we lose it, we sleep, I don't know, on a side of the street tonight.
So hopefully soon I will find the first trade to show you guys what I'm entering into.
Here we got this thing to have extra confirmation for just scalp trading, because I'm going to be doing some degen type of trading, so I want to see the order book as well. I want to see everything, including all the news and fundamentals. That's why I have so many tabs right here, because I need all that information. Right now, this is River Delaware, so we're crossing into Delaware right now. Delaware State. A part of my hedge fund is registered in Delaware. And also, as I promised to share with you guys in terms of our profits and losses on every single trade that we do, and also on all the sales of my trading education, so my mentorship programs. Just to make it clear, we removed all the targeted ads, everything, all the paid marketing that we were running for them is turned off. It's been turned off for like a week, so that all the sales go down and become only organic, because I want this to be a real competition. No incoming leads from paid targeting, only YouTube, and only this expedition, and only a 50% discount for you guys who want to become one of my mentees. Link down in the description of this video, and you're going to be actually taken to this website where you can get a 50% discount on my famous trading education and learn to do everything that I'm going to be doing. And yesterday, just to give you an update, we did $1,800, but I'm surprised that it's $1,800 because we turned off all the ads. We didn't even upload the first episode yet. I saw a very interesting trade setup actually come in, but we unfortunately have missed it. I need to do more in-depth analysis, and hopefully we're gonna have at least one trade today, some quick scalp trade, so at least we have some ground covered in terms of trading itself before we actually arrive today at Washington D.C. Alright guys, the first trade is in. This trade is very simple in nature. We're going out on a little bit of support here, a little bit of the technicals, and it's a small trade. I'm just starting to warm up a bit. Don't look at the risk to reward, it's a bit crazy. For now we have a small negative, really quick sculpt, so if it's not gonna play out, we're gonna be out of it instantly. Wish us luck. Are you ready? Do you think we're gonna make money or lose money?
Fingers crossed that we will make money.
Make money for the United States of America. About halfway to Washington right now.
80 miles.
80 miles from Washington, so it is getting late. We have a push. There you go. We just recouped our commission. Small entry. 3 Bitcoin type of a trade. Yeah, incorrect risk and money management. But that's what we need to, so that you guys don't have to. Well, unless you want to. Even he's excited. He's always looking at what's going on. Come on, push it, push. Come on, you can do it. $42 in profits. We almost covered your chicken curry masala.
We already spent like $20 on tolls today.
So we recouped either tolls or your chicken curry masala. I see that. Come on, push! We have our first profit. Yeah! Woohoo! Well, it's a small one, a small sculpt trade. But thanks to the order book, a bit of volume, a bit of support for it, I added to it a little bit lower entry, added to it, and nice explosion that I expected from the volume that I saw. There it is, close profit and loss. $56. So we are up $50 today. Yes! Not bad. For the first trade, we actually made 1.5% profit on just one trade. Hey! You know, whenever you make that first profit, whatever, always feels amazing. So, real nice. Look how dark it is, guys. I need to make a daily video update right now because there is something really interesting happening. So we still have a bit less than half a tank of gas. It's about, what, 10 p.m. and we are like 10 miles away from Washington, D.C. Also, we have a problem a bit with Starlink because right now we are going in between the tree lines. The internet is very jumpy. I guess it's because of the trees. In the order book also, it's very quiet. I'm not seeing anything of interest. So maybe it's going to be the only one trade. But if there's going to be something, and welcome to Washington, D.C. Guys, look, you know what this is? Exactly, the White House. Well. And look, our long trade was spot on, but there was no opportunity to enter into a short. Now we actually can admire Washington. This, guys, right here, is actually the Capitol Hill. Look at it. This is like from the House of Cards. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I was trying to get another trade, but it just slipped from me. So we just have one trade plus 50 bucks overall. We're negative today. It's almost midnight. I just got done filming the video, the daily one, with the market overview. Here's the Starlink, which always moves to align itself to the satellites. And there is the Capitol Hill. And we need to drive to a hotel because Washington D.C. is not gonna have any cheap hotels. So we need to go sleep in some hotel that is cheap. We found one for like 60 bucks a room a night, and inflation, which is great. I remember those roadside hotels, you could get a room for like 30 bucks, but it seems like not anymore. We need to drive hour and a half to get to that hotel. I miss spending a lot of money, like $2,000 a night, who gives a shit? I miss this. I miss filet mignon. I miss my chauffeur. I miss private jets. I miss everything already. It's been day one. It hasn't been day one. All right, we are arriving. Not a single other trade. Didn't find anything, and to be honest, real tired already. So just one trade, a profit, nice. Move on to tomorrow. And here is our hotel for the night. It's Hotel 6. This is like from the movie Psycho. Know the movie Psycho and what happened in that movie? Well, this is romantic though. I mean, sounds a bit weird, but yeah. This is us for the night.
Guys, I'm not sure I'm enjoying these hotels. The AC was so loud. It's like our old Mercedes is quieter and smoother. So many emotions, so many things at once. It's cool, but I'm tired already. And we moved 300 miles yesterday. We're outside of DC, like 100 miles. I need to get up and we need to get back on the roads.
How many stars is this?
-3.
Are we ready to go? We should start trading better because honestly, that AC tonight was garbage.
AC was okay, but it was so noisy.
No, that's what I mean. It was fucking loud.
You want to do a skinny dip? You got a pool. Here's the breakfast. Actually, we woke up, I didn't know this, but we woke up in Virginia. We're actually in Virginia right now. Somewhere in this was in the beginning. So we still have all this way to go to Alaska. We're gonna be heading down south through Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, and hopefully we're gonna find a crocodile or an alligator, some in the swamps of Louisiana. And then we're gonna be heading to Texas, New Mexico, and then going up to Canada and Alaska. And there's gonna be a lot of fun attractions we're gonna be showing you because we want it to be fun as well. But for now, it's gonna be like a big jump to here because there isn't much to show, but we're gonna be trading. What's important, guys, is always to read the major trends depending on your lens concept as to how you're looking in the market. Always understand the narrative, understand where we might be heading, and then adjust to it, adjust your algo and your stats to it. And then always be ready, you know, hope for the best, but be ready for the worst. Simple psychology. Oh, guys, it's been so boring, but it was going down and down and down, and I was paying attention to everything that I'm supposed to be paying attention to. And now finally we came to a strong level, and we finally have some movement that I can actually read. What time is it? 4 p.m. 4 p.m. and not one single trade until now. And the entry actually comes in on a nice bounce, and there is some confirmation as well. Again, it's a 3 Bitcoin trade, so hopefully I really want to see the impulse. For now, it's a small negative, but let's see what happens. Well, we're not seeing the impulse that I wanted. We're at break-even point right here, and this is a 1-minute chart. We still have some follow-through from here. Sometimes you gotta have to be very patient. And we officially have a problem. The internet is oh no, the internet is back. Is it back?
No, it's still booting. It says disconnect.
Disconnected. Nothing is happening. I cannot see anything. Nothing is moving because we are in the middle of freaking nowhere. I don't even know which state we're in currently. In Tennessee? We're currently in Tennessee. Half past 4 p.m. You're offline. And the markets aren't. Yeah, thank you very much. It could be a problem with the power inverter. This thing right here. I just connected extra thing to charge because the laptop is dying. And maybe because of this, we have a problem with Starlink because there is less power. It's gonna be a surprise for me that we lost all of the money. We are online, and yes, it is the problem with the charger. So as soon as we plug in another device into the power inverter, the Starlink just stops working. So we need to fix this. We need to find a solution. We just got into an accident. Officially. We just got hit by a woman. This is unbelievable. How is this even possible? Oh look, our piece of garbage looks more like a piece of garbage now. Oh, there's nothing. So if you don't care, we don't care.
Okay.
All right. See you later. So we were fighting the power issue. We finally solved it. We're gonna have to charge my Mac with this right here, with the small charger of Ilya's MacBook, which is not very good, but whatever. He says it doesn't do anything, so okay. We really have to be charging so many things. My iPhone, Mac, this, and Ilya's phone, and there is also Starlink on the back of our trunk. But on a good note, we got some profits on our side, sir. It's speeding up a little bit, so hopefully it's gonna move harder and harder. $113, but I don't have a take profit yet. Let's keep waiting a bit. And yeah, we are out of this trade. There is a result. Our entry to the bounce, no impulse, and I just left it. So we're left with minus $116, and this brings us to a loss of together from yesterday's profit. That profit was tiny, and I wanted to take a bigger one this time. So therefore I expanded my risk tolerance, and now we're down $60. To be honest, it's so hard to focus in the car with everything happening, with internet not working, with stuff not charging, with sun being in my face. And as soon as it kicks us out, where does it go? To the upside. But that's fine. When you've done everything correctly in accordance to your algorithm, your stats, everything that you're doing is systematic, then it's fine. A lot of people are gonna be up frustrated when you just get out and it actually moves us to where you want it. You either can re-enter or just accept it. So I've driven 1,000 kilometers. Well, which is quite great. To be honest, when you're busy with all this crap, the time flies quite quickly. See, this is the cost of tight stop losses and type risk in money management when you're trying to have a better risk to reward. It's easy to kick you out. So, you know, when you have no stop loss and you risk $100 to take $20, then that's easy. But when you're trying to minimize your losses, just like I did right here, and then finally actually pulls to the upside, and the formation, the logic that I had, plus there was no bad news coming out, this was a good trade. But I just got kicked out right in the wrong second, Just admire the view. Gotta admire the view. Maybe we made some money from courses though, let's check. Since we turned off all the ads, and this is a brand new account, so basically, no, zero. Yesterday and today, well, that's to be expected because we didn't advertise the link anywhere. So we are in a loss from both trading education, from trading itself. We're exhausted. We're somewhere in North Carolina. It's 7 p.m. We didn't get another trade. I'm upset because the market is moving up. At least we got some free corn. We're in some Mexican restaurant.
Yeah.
Asheville?
Yeah.
Asheville, North Carolina. I hope you really guys enjoyed the beautiful views of North Carolina. Well, we have another problem with the car, and that is that the light. Ilya is trying to fix it. Light on the left just went out, so the one on the right works, the one on the left doesn't. To be fair, it hasn't been a good day. When it comes to the trade, I got kicked out, and then it actually moved up. So this would have been a profit if not for my tight stop that I just left because there was no impulse and the risk was just too high. Well, this type of trading is high risk. To give you a rundown of our expenses for today in the current financial situation: toll roads $25, hotel $120, breakfast $25, gas $70, and the gas is empty. We need to get gas again. Dinner $70, and maybe I missed something as well. So in the pocket right now we have about $190 left
and the deposit is 1,441. So the deposit has gone down, but tomorrow is CPI. Tomorrow CPI comes out, we should see some of the volatility, and I want to find a really good trade and enter with a bigger size. Hopefully that's gonna solve it, because we need to drive 2 hours. We need to end up in Alabama today, or somewhere at the end of North Carolina, maybe Alabama. And I don't know, it sounds like I'm developing a southern accent, but in all fairness, this is just the reality. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like the video, and call me Mr. Spellon in the comments, because I'm the only one who is doing this in the world, showing you what is possible and the reality of what it is and how it is. So just one trade today, one trade yesterday, and today bigger trade, and ended up being a loss. And we're just surrounded by trucks, and that's it. But now I don't know if I'm gonna find another trade. We have a long way to the hotel, so we're gonna go check in and just go to bed. It is midnight, almost. Our trade would have been a profit. The car, I can wish the best for the car, and it could have been better. Do I regret doing this challenge? Not yet. I've never done something like this before. Quite frankly, guys, you know, this is an experience. This is the reality of what it's like. I'm so used to being pampered. Like, Dubai spoiled me rotten. I have so many people helping me with this and that, so I just live, enjoy work, and enjoy my life. You know, it's going back to the days when I was poor. This was like similar lifestyle kind of thing. It's like, it's very grounding, you know, you get used to good stuff very fast. And we're right now close to Alabama. We didn't make it to Alabama. We've done close to 1,000 miles. In the next episode, we're going to be going to Alabama and see the crocodiles. The Freon seems to be going down a bit, so it's getting hot. We are not giving up on our trade. We can barely see anything. We would get to Alaska a bit faster. Like $100-something right now in our pockets. I have one trade idea that really has to save us. It is happening. If you can see it on the screen, then it's available. And go check it out and watch it right now, because it's gonna be an even crazier one. And as always, peace and love. Tam Skralo. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.